today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken andouille gumbo. So first we are going to put the butter to make the roux, whatever they call it here. So the pot is already warm. I'm using a 1/4 cup.
Here's all the ingredients that we're going to be using today in this gumbo.
So guys, the butter is already hot, so we're gonna add up some 1/2 cup flour in here to make the roux. You can just kinda put your I waited too long. And you just wait until this gets really dark, like dark brown. So guys, it's all dark now. This is our roux. So we need to start putting up our vegetables. First, you gotta add up the onions. Maybe a cup. This is more than a cup probably. A cup of the onion.
So after we added the onion, we're gonna add up the bell pepper. This is 1 whole bell pepper. You can also use red bell pepper here. Now we can add our garlic. We'll wait for a little bit for the garlic to smell good.
So now we're adding our celery. Probably 2 cups. Wait for a little bit. Now we're adding our tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes. And then you can add our okra. This is a frozen okra, but
well, it's still kind of frozen, but it won't freeze. It's so good.
And now we'll add our andouille sausage. I'm not sure how if I said it right, but and I will be adding our chicken broth. This is the broth that I was using to cook the chicken, and we need like 2 quarts of this. 1 and 2.
So delicious.
Bay leaves.
I never knew that you added bay leaves, but okay.
Just couple.
And I'm so excited.
Yeah, I already ready the chicken. So let's add up the salt and pepper, guys, until however you want it to taste. Some people like it more salt, some people don't, so it's all up to you. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because I think 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper is too much. Then guys, I'm going to add a little bit of thyme in there, just to have a smell. Not gonna put a lot because people here don't like much of this stuff. And just, you know, sprinkle a little bit of basil, just a little bit. So guys, here is our finished gumbo. All done. Let's go. We're ready to eat. Are you all ready? Oh, it's so good. This is not for me. There it is. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.